So basically, chat, I just lost $700. All right, YouTube, just pulled up. Let's hop out the whip real quick. Woo, just a kid. But yeah, guys, just pulled up. We're at the airport, about to pick up JVCUTZZ. Let's go find him though. He's at baggage claim 5. Vlogging in the airport right now, chat. He's at 13, or he's at 5, so I gotta get to 5 from 14. Guys, let's go see what's up with this kid. Excuse me, sir, you can't park here. Oh, bro, what's going, my guy? Say what's up to the vlog.
Hey, you already know, because we made it to Seattle.
Let's get it, bro.
Finally, look, we're heated up. We're heated up.
Tracksuit. Let's get it, bro.
Yeah, bro. Okay.
Got the pickup. Oh, we got the LV on them too.
Okay.
Let's get it, boys. YouTube, I'm with JVCUTZZ right here. Outside now. Finally from the airport. Yo, bro, bro, keep your hands on the thing. Anyway, you know what it is. We're outside right now. I'm about to go get some lunch. I'm about to grow up.
People in the bio, look, some people we put in like, oh, I specialize in taper, I specialize in fringes. But if you just put professional barber,
yeah,
it's like you specialize in everything.
Right. Between now and between the steak, I'm not gonna get anything, so we can indulge in that steak, you know?
Hey, somebody tell Doja Cat that I'm trying to indulge in. My boy be trying to raise up or what?
Yeah. We just took my boy JV now. We're out in Bellevue. Rented out the office up here, so I'm about to go up there, put some work in.
And fresh as us ain't even clean as us. Hey.
All right, let's do it right now. All right, we got the room right here. We're gonna lock in. Let's get it. All right, we're about to take over. This is the blank whiteboard.
And yeah, I'll just keep going whenever you need me to. No worries at all.
What is the unfair advantage that we could teach in our barber community?
Yeah, so an unfair advantage could be something like,
I even opened up my dad's vision. Like, hey dad, I'm making more money than you, and I'm way younger. I'm working less than you. I'm working in the shade on my own terms. You know, I'm making more money than you. So bro, you gotta let your dad know this. Like, the barbering is where it's at.
We're manifesting this live. Porsche 911. I'm gonna buy this in July.
Is that what you want?
Yeah, but not, this is a base model. I don't want no base model. We're my boy JV right now at the restaurant, 34th floor. About to order the steaks. We're the only ones out here, the only young money killers. Look at this though, we're on top of the city. That's where JV's staying. Okay, bro's vlogging for the YouTube too, but guys, like, look at this view. Guys, I want you to take a moment and reflect. Like, just like think. Like, use your brain for once and think. What is the difference between me at 1K a month just 6 months ago and you right now? What is the difference? And the difference is this. You guys think you have a problem with your business. You guys have an ego. If you drop your ego for once, and I'm telling you guys, and please listen to me and truly learn, I guarantee you guys your life will change forever. Today's that day, okay? I want you guys to have a full moment reflection. Guys, I came up here, I almost started crying. I remember the days I was making $1,000 a month barbering. A month, $1,000 a month. That's $33 a day. And now our dinner is $1,000. And you guys are all the course sellers. So that means you can't do that too? Like, why are you hating? You don't know how to sell courses? You know what I mean? Because it's like, I did scale my barber business first. So it's like you can't say I didn't make 10 bands for barbering. And then I moved on. You guys haven't even hit the first step. And guys, it's not an ego thing. You guys are probably about to leave the video, click off, not even like, not even sub. But the reason we're here is because we dropped the ego. I've invested $33,000 in mentors in the past year, another $20,000 when I was already over 10K a month. JV did that too. And that's how we're in this position right now. And that's how we're here. And we're able to literally be top floor bosses. And guys, you know, at the time this video is dropping, click that form below to fill out your information or DM my IG, top floor, because we're launching top floor barbers.
And so you could become a top floor barber.
You know what I'm saying? Look at the view right here. We're literally about to spend $1,000 on a dinner. Most of you guys, some of you guys don't even make $1,000 a month. And that's nothing having to do with the ego. I want to teach you guys for free on how to make $1,000 plus a month. So join through this link here to learn 100% free. I have weekly calls and stuff still, don't worry. But guys, the reason we're able to do this, even pay $1,000 for dinner,
Barbers, baby.
because we became top floor barbers. How do we do that? Investing in ourselves, applying coaching, dropping the ego, putting the work in, taking action, and succeeding. And that's how we're here.
All right, creating actual systems at work, tracking your business right,
Systems,
what
proven.
comes in, what comes out, and that's exactly how you gonna run up these racks.
Money
baby.
come in, the money go out, but we always in the positive.
Easy
you know?
come, easy go, sell it all, make some more, baby. Come on.
Yeah.
My guy G is cashing me out.
Taking care of him.
What can I say?
We're about to tip the waiters too. Right here, $68. So total be $375. Let's get it. Yo, it's like in me, but like it's looking good. What are we thinking, JB? Look at this. Dude, it's coming up. Ah, it's like water, but it feels hot. Chat, JB's doing my cut for me real quick.
He needs some work on the shear, so I'm gonna show him. All right, look. So my boy Faust right here got some fluffy ginger hair.
You leave him like this though.
No, I'm telling you, he might just need to get a JV.
He might need that JV special.
You ever tried about like a little nice like messy?
My boy JV about to get saucy with the scissors. Let's go.
I like easy.
Speed run.
This is the simplest way you can cut on top. So like split it down the middle. You're gonna get your first section right here.
And JV been doing this for 10 years now.
Literally.
YouTube, my boy JV and I just tag team this. Finish the cut, give him a little spin. Look down. How are you feeling?
Good, bro.
We're gonna go to luxury stuff, flick up, go get some more clothes at Prada, Gucci. Watch out.
I'm trying to get some Prada shoes, boys, and
Chanel.
I'm trying to get a matching fit with my boy GS.
Spawned in right now at Youre with JVCUTZZ and GS the kid. About to go to the second floor. So JV said he needs some AirPods.
All right, boys.
All right, chat. About to buy the AirPods real quick.
Oh my, it's a big ass MacBook.
That's the Pro. That's the big one.
You think this is useful? Which AirPods should we get, boys?
Pros or no? Chat, I found free AirPods on the street the other day. Because Apple and Beats is the same company. Yeah, say it.
Hey, boys, what y'all think? AirPod Pro 3?
Baby's checking out his Zara too. Let's get it. YouTube, should we get this or not? It's 300.
Hey, boys, what y'all think? $300 cop? Is this an investment or is this shit liability?
Get it.
Get it?
Listen to GS.
We're gonna be drippy.
Yeah, listen to GS.
Coin flip.
Alright, you gotta pull the coin out your pocket. We just caught the $4,000 tag. Show the tag.
Show the tag. Where's the tag at?
It's in the back. Yeah,
careful.
of course. Alright, let's play back. Alright,
Like,
we're copping.
more far away. We're about to cop the jacket. My boy got me with a good little deal on that as well. We're never gonna see this again if we don't buy it right now.
Yo, okay, that's not the best. That is not the best mentality. We're out right now on Pine Street and about to go to Yoka Tea. Better put them on.
Oh my, we're geeking out here in Seattle, boys.
Right.
We're literally rolling this bitch like we own it.
Let's get it. Get the volleyball game, bro. Stop playing. Let's get it. My girl's over there on the bench. On the bench, number 11. Let's get it. Oh, YouTube, my boys in the high elevator. Sliding back. So get this guy right quick. I'm about to go flick up at the Gravern. Say what's up to YouTube.
Hey, you want a video or we come back down?
Yeah, come down. My boy, what are you doing right now?
I just put on some heme wax right now.
Where did they get the heme wax?
My hair was
GSthekid.com? Not playing. JVCUTZZ.com.
My head was super flat. Now look at it. And that's so crazy, you know. I literally grabbed like barely any substance.
Yep.
But actually, how many get some?
Fix the front though.
You can slide through.
Alright, y'all see the roly poly? JV, show the roly. Roly boys.
Look, light. Let's do a little dare
Just change the face.
Change the what?
Change the face in the roly.
Anyways, boys, we don't change faces. We change
We change races. Let's go.
What is it?
Oh, bro, what is he saying?
All right. Anyways, look. A little bit of that heme wax. You already know where to go. JVCUTZZ.com. Look, I'm gonna get y'all right.
Use code GS at checkout, and it's gonna say code invalid.
10% off.
Code
Y'all want
JV.
to save 10%? Code
JV.
Code GS.
Code GS? He making my code.
GS 10% off.
Okay.
Did you want to get 20% off?
You should make a whole brand deal with your students and the
20%
mentorship.
off. I mean, if you want 20% off,
JV.
use code JV.
See the whole hotel. The vlogging will keep improving. I'm about to get a cameraman soon too, but hey, chat, admire the view. All right, boys.
Let's get it.
Watch out.
All right, so we just made a reservation right now.
Montclair.
Best restaurant here in Seattle or Bellevue.
Boom. Look at how tall this is, bro.
Oh yeah, we were there last night.
That's where the top floor barbers. We was there last night. Looking up right now. We got the Gucci, the Prada, and everything. Easy spits.
Let me get the glasses. What do you mean? You want a model walk for that, or you want to wear a mobile?
Watch this, guys. That's how you walk with a G, okay? At least I'm not actually gay, bro. Like,
I'm kidding. Go.
bro,
What the fuck? Chad, look at this kid. Is he him?
we should cross the street and pull up there after. Look at that. New York land? Let me know in the comments. Should we go over there? Cross the bridge.
But we just looking up right now, boys. How we looking? You know we some drip. You know we some dripping.
Let me know in the comments who has a better fit. Denim Tears and Vicinity, or
I don't know what.
Happy Memories Don't Die, and then this, and then
Balenci.
then
Anyways,
Cartier.
look.
I lost my off-white glasses today. He lost his $3,000 camera. I lost $2,000 glasses. So low-key
We're down,
but we up.
Anyways,
We got
look. We're flicking up because honestly, this helps your personal brand a lot. You might think, oh, what the, like, it has nothing to do with it, but bro, you are the personal brand, and if you're a drippy guy, people like you, you know? Like,
You know what I'm saying?
they're gonna bounce the energy. You're gonna bounce the energy off you, and then they're gonna want to be drippy, and then they're gonna want to be fly like you.
For sure.
And you
And
just
just-
inspire people. I ain't gonna lie.
Yeah, because you're not the businessman.
You are the businessman.
Let's go.
So make sure to look good, feel good, play good, baby. Let's go.
So basically, Chad, I just lost $700.
Oh
We're kind of upset about that. right now.
look, the goal for today is gotta make a rack.
Yeah, because I'm low-key mad pressed about this $700 because I got nothing out of it. He spent $700 yesterday, but he got all that. I could have spent $700 and got all that, but I spent $700 and I got left on.
He hasn't.
He kept my voice message and then he didn't respond. Yeah, so I talked to the guy who placed him, I send messages, but he's like hasn't been active on IG since yesterday. The guy who placed him on my offer.
So what, you want to like talk shit on him or like tell him like don't send?
Nah, I'm just asking the guy who placed him if he can go talk to him to get my money back.
Oh.
It's like his student, basically.
Oh yeah. Do that first.
We're gonna see. My boy JV taking care of a first time
Yes,
client.
sir. Let's
I'm about to bless my guy. Where you coming from,
get
bro?
blessed. We coming from Kenmore. We go deep for these cuts. You already know.
Let's get it.
Yes, sir.
First time client?
Yep.
First time client.
I loved it, bro. I never quit.
Yeah.
And then the thing is that when I first did my first haircut, it was an ass haircut.
Of course.
And I love to do the best. I love to do the best I can. So
Yeah.
I literally just searched up a bunch of videos that same night.
And that's why you started posting YouTube. JV's at like 70K on YouTube or what?
YouTube. Okay.
Yeah, I'm about to hit like 100K very soon. We just gotta keep going crazy. I'm like at 70K on both.
Got it.
65 on the
And
gram.
he's at like 12 TikTok.
That's awesome, dude.
TikTok's different algorithm, you know?
I know. You got
So like I just went 0 to 10K on TikTok in like a month, but it's not. Now I have to stick with the consultations. IG, JV's cutting me right now.
Hey, P game, I'm about to get the kid right because his curls were chopped. Look at his disconnection. Like, what the? No, let's get this right.
All right, guys. Hold on, let me show you guys this. We just paid for valet right there. 3 phones: trap phone, second trap phone, and the third trap phone.
Hey, Chad.
PBJB cut that he gave me.
Hey, I got 3 money calls right now.
But let's go. And then I gotta get fitted after, so let's get it. That's a normal boot.
Not much difference.
It looks more classy, the Prada ones. The other one look. I'll get the client. My turn's next. I'm buying this.
What is that?
Jean shorts. Fits my size.
Let's go.
$15. All right, let's see my size.
How we doing, boys? How we doing? All right, so
Me too. I just copied these. I was trying to debate Gucci ones 600 or these ones for 376, and it was a little bit hard debate. I ended up going with these ones because the clear frames look way better on an Asian kid.
get me. All right, boys, we just cashed out the KGS. It was his turn.
Oh, I bought shorts too.
Bro, you had to get something. Hey, but look.
Look at all this crazy stuff. Not even here right now.
I already told him. Shit, what we on?
JV was like, hey, these look good. Then he
I
was
just
like,
styled the kid up.
He was
I ain't
like,
gonna lie.
hey, these look good. Then he was like, hey, these look good. And now I'm spending $500. So
But hey, you're gonna have this
100, 130, 130.
100 on the glasses.
And then, no, these were not 100. I showed them the price. It was 400. Remember?
Okay. My Cardis are 2,000. I can't see no haters.
Stop
Anyways.
playing. You two got the Daytona ski, got JV ski, and we got the Intercontinental. But they don't let my boy check in because he's not 21 and he don't have an ID. But so we're gonna
Even if I had ID, they still wouldn't let us know.
they look you would.
Maybe.
That's what the manager said. Supposedly
Yeah,
21.
supposedly.
And the last one too, they just let us through. You know, they're not missing out on the $500 for a one night stay. Anyway, guys, we balling. We ball.
Our boys
Just finish up how we feeling.
some frisbee. What a beautiful sport. I'm not gonna lie. We had some good cardio. We sweated off all the M&Ms and cashews I had last night.
And now, gotta go get some hair. He got a cut out here. We got my client in Seattle, and then I got my client. I'm gonna get a good clip for the fast barber video. I'm about to go viral again. My stories have been getting 14,000 views since JV got here.
They started at
I
under
had
1,000, huh?
500.
500, bro. They're like, what, 4 times basically?
No, like 14,000 views on my
That's
story.
like triple the amount, right?
500 to 14,000. It's like 20 times.
14,000?
Yeah. All right, YouTube. Back at us end again. JV and I both fitted up with the same thing. We got some flips. And some flips and everything. My voice is gone, but we're gonna go up to the 31st floor. Again, let's get it. Peep the view, YouTube. You know how I do it. Every single day I make this happen. For sure. Let's get it. Let's get it. Thank you.
You said this is your least favorite?
Yeah.
Because like blueberry?
It's not blueberry. I think it's blueberry or something. What do you think? 1 to 10.
5.
All right.
And then finally, that is your avocado crostino.
Thank you.
Also comes with the Frisee salad. It's some black pepper chow chow and chickpeas.
Wow. Thank you so much. Goodbye.
You want chat?
All right, chat. We're outros. We're gonna come back chapter. In like 3 chapters, we'll be back.
3 chapters, all right.
All right. See ya.